Hello friends, today we talk about variables. So variable is an object, event, idea, feeling or time period or any other type of category we are trying to measure. So there are two types of variables, independent and dependent. Independent variables stand alone. They are not dependent on anything. So, for example, a person's age. A person's age is not dependent upon the things like how much he watches TV or how much he goes to walking or what they eat. So his age remains same. It is not affected by any of these factors. And on the other hand, dependent variables are those which are dependent on some other factors. Suppose we are measuring demand. So demand is dependent on the price of goods, income of the person, interest of the person, and price of other related goods. So if the income of the person changes, then demand also changes. Suppose the income increases, demand for a good may increase. So demand is dependent on income. Suppose the price of the good falls, then demand can increase. So demand is dependent on the price of goods, price of related goods. Suppose the person is using coffee and price of the coffee rises and that of tea decreases, then he can increase the demand for tea. So price of other goods also affect the demand. So these are the factors which affect the demand. So demand is dependent variable which depends upon the price, income, interest and like things. So demand is a dependent variable. So many people find difficulty to diagnose what is dependent variable and what is independent variable. So we can say that the variables which cause changes are independent variables. So in our price and demand example, price and income are independent variables because they are causing change in demand. So demand is the dependent variable.